In this guide, I will be showing you guys exactly how to install the NFL app on your Samsung TV. First, make sure your Samsung Smart TV is turned on and connected to the internet. You'll need a stable connection to download apps. Using your Samsung remote, press the home button. From the menu at the top of the screen, scroll and select apps. In the app screen, go to search icon, usually in the top right corner, and type NFL. Select the NFL app from the results. Highlight the NFL app and click install. Wait a few seconds while your TV downloads and installs the app. Once installed, select Open. If you already have an NFL account, sign in using your email and password. If not, you can create one right on the app or from your phone. And that's it. The NFL app is now installed on your Samsung TV. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.